What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Crypto here with your latest XRP video. We've got a lot to talk about in this video, particularly Bank of England looking to integrate onto that Ripple ledger, as well as the nearly done CBDC protocols, and Dark Defender giving us a fantastic price prediction for XRP, all of which is going to be pretty bullish if you're holding XRP. And if you are, make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily content around XRP. Hit a like on this video. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So like I said, Dark Defender, shout out to him, giving us a view of exactly why people are suddenly very bullish around XRP, and equally what price ranges we could expect in the coming few days. Now, obviously, we got that Cointelegraph news, which has fundamentally pushed the market as everyone anticipates a potential Bitcoin ETF on the back of that news. Today, we even see XRP looking to retest those 50-cent ranges. And here, Dark Defender saying, morning all, have a great weekend. In the daily time frame, it's still within our price range. Above 52 cents to 55 is a challenge, and that is our first point where we need to break that resistance and stay above it. Bullish above 55 to 66. Extra bullish would see us 66 to $1.33, and new all-time highs would be above 196. A lot of people expecting a significant breakout. You can see on this chart here, just giving you a view of exactly where we might start to see this potential breakout from where we've been. RSI resistance looks like it's about to break. We have had that double tap that could see us significantly move to the upside. Remember, 52 to 55 cents is the number we are looking to break when it comes there. And you might be thinking, okay, 2-bit, that's fine. We're all bullish on the price of XRP. That's why we hold it. We've been telling you this for ages, but there is stuff going on in the background that people aren't aware of, and I think this is where it is important. So the Bank of England, something quite close to my heart, is looking to integrate into a digital pound, CBDCs, like we see in many other countries, and equally we know that they've been tested. Now, back in 2017, the Bank of England tested this with Ripple. They actually created a digital currency that could replace the pound and move to a more digital format, and they tested it back in 2017. Now, we know, in my view, XRP Ledger, I'm going to talk about that in just a minute, is being set up for the institutions, namely banking institutions. And we know that for us in the UK, there is a desire to be a hub for cryptocurrency. And for me, this is great news. They're going to be calling it the digital pound. And again, it's going to be tested and worked through. But this is very exciting. We see the Bank of England starting to look to integrate it. We already know back over in the UAE, as well as other countries, that they are looking to really integrate into Ripple. We also know the Bank of America have tested it as well. So this is fantastic news. This is why people can be very bullish on the price of XRP, because it's fundamentally going to be designed and integrated into a lot of financial institutions. It is purely a matter of time. Now, if you caught my video the other day when I talked about the XRP ledger, this is the fundamental use case driver for XRP, and I think the main reason why XRP is going to be so successful, where it's about to hit a very important milestone, getting on for nearly 5 million total accounts on the ledger. And you can see there, the total accounts sitting around 4.813 million. And ultimately, according to the data, the number of XRP tokens held on these accounts has increased significantly, sitting around the 58.8 billion mark. Now, remember, there is a significant amount locked up, 49 million in the escrow, that could even be burnt. There was talks about that I've seen that could just be burnt, which would be pretty crazy. You can see there are account reserves at 48 million. And again, you can get a view of exactly where that sits in terms of what's happening and those protocols that sit on the XRP ledger. But more and more adoption is coming. More and more people are going over there and testing it. And equally, we're even seeing financial institutions start to play around with what that could look like, as well as tokenization. And remember, the CFO talked about that coming within the next 12 to 18 months. Go check out my video when I talk about that in a bit more detail, but all of which can only be good news for Ripple. So we have bullish outlooks on price. We have institutions starting to play around with development of CBDCs, as much other things of digital assets using the XRP ledger, as well as all those projects that are already building on it, and equally more tokenization and ultimately account reserves around the 48.1 million mark, all of which come together to really get XRP to be a strong performer. Now, obviously, there is still the court case that looms above the XRP, but we know even from the ETFs, as well as what happens when those court cases come back. Remember, April the 16th, set the date in your diary, that it could significantly change the outlook of XRP. And I think a lot of people now are in that consolidation phase. Certainly those guys out there in my community are just building XRP and waiting for that next price movement. If you want to buy some XRP, by the way, check out the link in the description. There's going to be a link down there for Mexi where you can get over there. You can trade XRP, trade Bitcoin, or just buy it and hold it in your wallet. But definitely check it out. They've got the best fees in the market, and ultimately sign up, deposit, and get trading. It's a fantastic platform to use. So what have we got in terms of price action right now? Well, like I said, the market is looking very good even after that news today around those ETFs. And actually, when we look at XRP, this has kind of continued a nice upward trend here on the 30-minute. Let's go out to the 4-hour. It gives us a better picture on a longer time frame and a probably more stable outcome. We can see here a lot of things starting to work in our favor. Now, this is where we want to get to in the next 4 hours. This is the 200 EMA, and we can see there isn't a lot of volume between the 2 points, but we are in a nice upward trend that is starting to spike on a slightly more adverse curve to see a real push. Now, we did get rejected on the 100 not so long ago on this last 4-hour wick, so we do need to be mindful of that. Like I said, the lower price though, 4863, could be coming soon, but equally this upward trend, nice bit of volume coming in. RSI slightly overbought, so again, do be mindful of that, but we want to see XRP continue. This is the next point we want to go and really test, which, like we said, is that 52 range and slightly above. This is the real big liquidity zone right at this top here, 52 up to 55, and that's where we want to see XRP move. Definitely going to be interesting. Here comes the test though tomorrow, given about lunchtime, depending on what happens in the market. We could see this break and a continuation to the upside. But for me, XRP is a great hold right now. Definitely worthwhile checking out. And it feels like there is a lot coming every single day. And if you want to keep up to date with everything at XRP, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on so you never miss a beat. And as ever, we appreciate you following this channel. We appreciate you being part of the community. And definitely come back tomorrow for your latest updates. I'll see you all soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.